I have here a Massport Bio with 6.5 horsepower 3-mount jar I've had for many years, must be over 10 years. It's been very reliable. It has a Briggs & Stratton Intech IC206 petrol 4-stroke engine. But just recently the petrol fuel line in the back here has cracked and is leaking fuel. So that's not good, it's dangerous. So join me in this video as I remove the external covers to replace the rubber fuel hose. This rubber fuel hose comes from the tank. I've disconnected it from the plastic nozzle. This is the tube that is cracked, and that's the one I have to replace. This is an air hose, and this is the air filter box. Remove the air filter box. So with the air box removed, much easier to see the hose. That's the petrol hose. So looks like I have to remove these to get to the hose inside. These screws, there's 4 of them on the side, see if it does anything. And I've got a magnetic tray so I don't lose the screws. Two down, 2 to go. Alright, this covers off. Look, I think I should be able to pull this cover off. There. I think I'm gonna have to remove the fuel tank itself so I can raise this up and access the tube underneath. That's what the bolt looks like. Now for the 2 bolts on the opposite side of the fuel tank. Well, with the 2 bolts, this side and 2 bolts, the opposite side removed, I can just remove the fuel tank. And you can see the hose connects to there. So I'm gonna remove this. There's some spring clips. Remove the spring clips and I'll be able to change it easily. So that's the tap. Alright, let's see if we can remove the hose from the tank. There you go, easy. Right, I'm gonna remove the 2 hoses, keep the clamps. I'm gonna clean those 4 clamps using kerosene. Yep, petrol's too expensive these days. There you go, the clamps are in the can with some kerosene. That's the old petrol hose and fuel tap. Fuel tap's still good, just change the hose. Hose is 1/4 inch internal diameter. My replacement is also a 1/4 inch internal diameter, and a low pressure hose will do because this is not an injector system. Okay, that's the new short hose with the clamp. Let's try and get into the tank. Yep, I think that's fully engaged, flush there. Put the clamp. Yep, nice. Now to put the tap in, get the other clamp in there. I suppose with that, it can't actually go all the way, it just goes up to there, so that's okay. Yep, I think that's good. Okay, that should do it. Now for the main bit. That's good, that's easy. So that's done. I can basically reconnect. Alright, we can reinstall the fuel tank. Put the hose clip. Push it back into the nozzle. Yep, that looks flush. Readjust the clamp position. Put back the bolts to the fuel tank. Tighten the bolts for the fuel tank. Before I put the side cover on, what I might do is start the engine, make sure that the fuel is not leaking and is flowing properly. Okay, I've test run it. There's no leak. The engine runs smoothly. So I think we're good. I can put back the casing. Well, I've replaced the petrol fuel hose and tested it. It's running smoothly and there's no fuel leaks, so that's good. It's gonna last me a good few more years because this is a good reliable product. I do hope you've enjoyed this video. Do subscribe to my channel for more and to help the channel grow. Thank you so much.